现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and this is Liu Huiqing, who is a mother of two, twin daughters actually. And because she wanted to teach Hakka to her kids, she decided to sing and have her daughters sing along to this song called Mama Lao Ngai Kyung Ha Chong, which means Mother Sings With Me.
啊，
来自于竹东的客家人刘慧清老师呢，成为母亲之后呢，希望让孩子学会客语哦，所以就走上了客家歌谣创作之路哦，就写了这一首《妈妈和我一起唱》，妈妈老矮 Kyung Ha Chong， 你们也听得到哦，两个双胞胎女儿跟她一起合唱，非常可爱，非常好听。我们来继续收听吧。
世界愛超愛從山高，冇望開背頭書思考從山高，心上高愛從將夜來思啊戀，偏偏愛超愛從頭髮開，從那從那從山高，從那從那好從山高，從那從那從山高，從那從那從東，從東從山高。
What a great uplifting song, and you heard a lot of voices in there, right? Because Liu Huiqing invited her twin daughters to sing along to this song again called Mama Lao Ngai Kyung Ha Chong, which again literally means Mother Sings With Me, and that's what happened in the last few minutes. Again, not only to teach this to her kids, but she hopes that we can spread the Hakka culture to youngsters all around Taiwan as well. There you have it, another great Hakka song for the family. I'm Joseph Lin, and we hope to see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.